Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video I will discuss about 3 tips and tricks in Excel. So the first tips and tricks that I'm going to discuss here is sequence. So if you have a requirement where you have to write so many numbers at once, like 1, 2, 3, so same like that up to the 100. So in that time it can be a little hard. So what if I told you there is a formula that will help you to do that easily? So for that, what you have to do is equal to type sequence, press tab, then put the number that you want to make a column of. So I will do 100 here and then just press enter. So it will give you a data up to the 100 without you writing manually. So this is very easiest way. So the another one that I'm going to discuss here is that is now. So if you have a requirement where you have to write the time and which is current time, date and time. So in that case, you can go and manually put the date and time. So in that case, just write now, press tab, and then press enter. So you'll get the exact date and time. So every time you open the Excel file, the date and time will be updated to the current date and time. So you don't need to go and manually overwrite every time. Then the third one, which is the last one that I'm going to show you, is if you want to make like this, then it's very easy. So for example, there is a column of the numbers and the row of the country. So if you want to design like this, it's very simple and easy. So let's go and do it here. So for that, just press Control plus 1, Control 1 in the keyboard. Then once you press Control 1, go to the borders, then go to the outline, then click on this one, then press OK. So in that case, the diagonal line will be in the cell. After that, just write the country, then press Alt and Enter. We'll go to the second line, then write number, then press Enter. So our half design is completed. So now what you have to do is just give a press to the space, then it will go to the next side. So it is quite small right now, so let's make it big. So I can double click it, give a space, so it will go over there, then just release it. So it's still not right, just give more space. Now it is right, and just make it as a bold, just give it as a yellow symbol. So this is how we make this like this, and then you can design other one like this as well, and you can make it actually look good with proper design. So I hope you learn 3 tips and tricks in Excel from this video. I will see you in another video. Thank you.